So last night I picked up the exhaust finally, which if you follow me on Instagram, you would have saw this already. But yeah, I picked up from George because he got it from LA. Thank you, George. I appreciate you. I'll put his Instagram right here, both of his Instagrams. And yeah, I picked this up for pretty cheap. It's a Bimmerworld Street Track exhaust. So basically this bolts up to the section 1 right there. And then it goes into a single, I think it's a 3.5 inch single pipe. And yeah, it comes with everything. I don't know if I'm missing any sort of like rubber bushings here, but I gotta check. But yeah, it only has one muffler and I'm sure it doesn't really do much. So this is gonna be really loud. I don't really know if it's gonna be too loud. I'm kind of thinking it might be because my car has headers and then the section 1 is just piping. Yeah, it's probably gonna be super loud. I might wait until I get a second car. Right now I just drive the M3 everywhere. It's my only car. I'm planning to get a Nissan Xterra pretty soon. So once I get that, I think I'd install this and then I don't have to drive it every day. So I think cold starting this every day would be super annoying to my neighbors. Either I'm gonna wait or I'm gonna sell it. So if you guys want this, let me know. Shoot me a DM on Instagram. Instagram's right here. And just mention that you want the exhaust and I'll give you guys a price on it. Give you a pretty good price. But yeah, it's in really good shape. So I think the guy only used it a couple times and then realized it was too loud for him. But he has a track car too. I think his issue was that the car was gutted in the back, so it was just super droney, which I don't know if me having the interior will help that much more. Yeah, I think it's still just gonna be crazy loud. So we'll just have to install it and see. You can see there's no sort of bends. I mean, obviously it needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but all that stuff wipes off. It's just probably water spots. And there's like one scratch here, which I think I just did that because it's in my car. Other than that, it's not scratched like at all. And the welds are actually really nice. You can tell a machine probably did the welds, but it's V-band. One more thing about this exhaust that I think a lot of people don't even consider is how light it is. This is obviously the biggest section and it's super easy to pick up just like that. Like, I don't know what this weighs, but on the Bimmerworld website it said a savings of like 55 pounds. And if you own an E46 M3, you know how heavy the stock muffler is. I swear that thing is like 60 pounds. So yeah, and this weighs nothing. So definitely some good weight savings off the rear end of the car. Not that that really matters because I'm not competing or anything, but it's still a cool feature. We just got the shell and I think we're going to this meet that is hosted by Studio RSR and Urban Canvas. I think Urban Canvas is like some BMW page. So it's gonna be strictly BMWs and we got our BMWs. So I think we're fitting, and there's another BMW coming, right?
It's a GT3.
Oh.
I think so.
So he's ruining it.
Yeah, don't bring your GT3, bro.
We're gonna head over there and probably see a bunch of cool cars. I know Gabe's F80 M3 is there, and he just put 4 bucket seats in it. He like was mimicking the Apex taxi, I don't know what they call it. The one that has 4 bucket seats in it, and it's like super famous for that. So he made his own version. He's calling it the US version, which is cool. Pulled up to the meet, as you can tell, parked over there. We had to park super far, but there's a lot of cars here. God damn. Thing is nice. Yeah, those are nice. EC7s. car. Got the buckets in the back. We just found this M3 right here. First off, he got the trumpets going on. He was definitely in band in high school. And then look at this fitment. Whoa, that's money, dude. Jeez. And
Parker, what do you think of the fitment?
he's rubbing. Look how bad he's rubbing.
Dude, I've never seen a tire this stretched before. Well, I have, but not in person.
It's like, how does that not just come off?
How's it not deep bead when you're just going 2 miles an hour?
What a unit.